Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to scan your luggage on the baggage on the Iberia application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, you should tap on the More button down below and tap on Take Measure, Scan Your Hand Luggage. Tap on it and click on Cabin Bag. After that, you should scan the top corners of your bag, so keep pressing. Move closer to the bag, keep pressing, then move the device as it is shown. Keep pressing, then release the button, and here you can see the relevant measurement information. If you want to check another bag, just tap on the button and you will be able to scan your luggage or baggage by the help of this feature. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.